Hello guys, this video are gonna be very quick, and I want to show you one of the most powerful tools that I've seen and would be better than ChatGPT 4, and it's completely free. So let's gonna dive into it. You just need to type in the browser Claude 2, and then you go to the official page, that is this one, and then you click on Talk with Claude. And you already on the platform. But if you are not logged in to the page, you can see something like this, and you just need to click continue with Google, and check the things that usually you have to check when you click this button. And then something very cool about this is that you can add a file, and would be a PDF, TXT, CSV, and more than this. And then you can select one file. I'm going to select this one, that is like a report from the government of US. And yeah, you need to ask to the AI, and I already typed this. Copy paste, and you can like the question is, based on this file, make a summary with a simple language explaining which is the cheapest city to live in, and which is the cheapest supermarket. And you go to you click to this button to send, and you can see that the platform is working. You can see it here that the cheapest city to live in is Decatur, Illinois. Decatur has a cost of living index of 77.0, which is over 10% below to the national average of 100. And yeah, this is the tool, guys. So you can try to use it, and tell me know in the comments below what do you think about this tool. And don't forget to subscribe to this channel if you would like to see more videos like this one. And bye guys. I would like to add something, and is that if you don't have service of this tool in your country, something that would help is to use a VPN. I use a free VPN that called Tuxler VPN. And bye again.